Our food, our daily bread, is by far the largest water consumer in society. So compared to industry, to household requirements, the food sector is by far the most water intensive sector in society today. And it's likely to grow even more water intensive because we have a shift in among our consumers. They demand, with growing income, they demand food items, and they spend more money on different products that require more water. The amount of water that could be required to produce bioenergy could be in the same order of magnitude as the amount of water that is used to produce food. So it's quite significant. So it's likely that the demand on food will be increasing quite substantially in years to come. But then we don't have the water. We don't have the land, as we see it today, to just continue with current trends. If we throw away food, then we also throw away the water that has been used to produce that food. So today in the world we use roughly 7,000 cubic kilometers of water to produce the food. And that has meant that we have emptied rivers, we have let the groundwater tables fall in many places, and we have created huge water crisis. But if we can reduce the wastage and the losses of food, that means also that the pressure on our water resources will be reduced. They don't realize that every meal that they are eating might be equivalent to 1 or perhaps even 2 tons of water. And if you throw away half of the food that you have on your plate, you also might throw away 1 ton of water. And that water must be taken from somewhere. So that means that it's very important that we look upon the whole food chain. We should help, we should facilitate that the farmers can make better use of their resources, land, water, seeds, whatever they have. But we should also make sure that the losses and the wastage among the different actors in society could be reduced in order to ease the pressure on land and water. And that would make it possible to feed the world in the future. It would open up the opportunities to use part of the land and part of the water that is today used for wasted food. We could use that land and water to produce, for instance, biofuels.